and he held a meeting with the Commissioner of CCB, Mayor, and Director of Municipal Administration to solve our grievances. We have submitted a memorandum to him, and we are very thankful to him that he has given certain directions, and he has asked the reduction of taxes by the CCP, and also to stop the illegal gadas which are functioning in the city. We also demand a probe in how so many gadas have come, and who is responsible for the licenses, and we say that there are duplicate licenses in the gadas. And we had also put a demand that if hoteliers are being asked to give all the licenses, these gadas also should follow. We are not against small businesses to have food rate. They can have a food court on international standards. Food courts means that they all facilitate like potable water, filters, toilets, kitchens, and if at all they want to have this concept as per central government and as per Supreme Court guidelines, we are happy with it, but they should be allotted a separate place. All these facilities should be given, and these facilities should be given to the sons of the soil, especially people from Panjim, because the area of CCP is of Panjim people. So Panjim people should be given preference, especially the unemployed youth. We are not against anything. We ask them to simplify and have a single window system for licensing, which the minister has also directed them to set up a committee which they will forward, and the mayor also gives assurance now they'll start accepting the licenses, and he said he's putting a statement.
See, this committee, today even small traders have to deal with 7 to 12 departments. Okay, small businesses cannot afford this. Okay, that means running most of our time. Every year we have to run and renew licenses, go to VAT, go to fire, all this. So we want a single window system, and we want it to be system driven through a process. Okay, now they are developing some software where we, the citizens of Panjim, will not have to meet anyone in the CCP. They can file online, okay, any application. Their file is tracked, okay, so there is transparency, and transparency leads to accountability and will eliminate corruption, because today CCP is a den of corruption. There are some councillors, very few of them, and there are some officers, okay, and officials who are highly corrupt.
काफे रीज म्हणते म्हणजे आसा तेजे हांव 52,913 पर इयर फारीक करता. रीज क्लासीक 95,500 फारीक करता. रीज क्लासीक पाटो 60,000 फारीक करता. प्लस ते हेजे जिमखाना ते अजूनही म्हाका येयलें ना, न्यूली आहा. आनीक रीज क्लासीक पोरोरी मॉल दे गोवा.
I'm talking on behalf of 2 automobile dealerships which we have, that is Coastal Honda and Kakulo Ford, which are based in Panjim. So basically in Panjim, ours is just a delivery outlet wherein only the vehicles are delivered. The back-end thing happens in Verna. So the quantum of garbage what we generate in Panjim is very, very minimal. It's just about the torn papers, waste papers, used papers. Nothing more than that, because the area of our each showroom is close to 250 square meters, wherein we have barely 15 staff working there. And my only grievance with CCP, and which is a major grievance everywhere in Panjim, irrespective of the trade, is the garbage tax what they have levied. Now garbage tax what we pay for showroom, that is Honda and Ford respectively, is 71,500. Now this is a huge amount, 71,500 each. It's a huge amount. And for what am I paying it? What is the quantum of garbage? Nobody bothers to say it. So I think CCP should come to some kind of consensus, understand what is the type of a waste, hazardous waste or what kind of a waste, and then only decide how the charges have to be levied. This is with regards to showroom. We also have 3 restaurants in Kakulo Mall, that is food court we have Junction and Lounge Terminal, and we have one opening very shortly. So I'm paying a rent close to garbage fees, garbage tax close to 96,000 per restaurant. So each restaurant we are paying 96,000 rupees. Also, as a part of our CSR activity, we have a garbage compost plant wherein all the garbage, especially the food waste, is sent to the compost plant. I'm not getting any kind of leverage when it comes to paying the tax in terms of garbage because we have such a big compost plant installed, but my fees have not been reduced. Yet, for the 3 restaurants which are based in mall, I'm paying close to 96,000 each, which is a huge amount, I must say. So,
Other taxes.
yes, besides other taxes. This is one component of tax. What I'm talking about is the garbage tax, which is called as sanitation tax. There are other tax like trade tax, then there are processing fees and signboard tax. So this is a major concern in the city, wherein tax are increased exorbitantly, and I will just repeat, it is not since here, it is since 2016-17, wherein the hike is close to around 33% and 60% respectively. Some kind of a CCP should sit with the traders, businessmen, understands their issues, their problems, and then decide what would be the various, criteria on what the taxes would be.
ते म्हणटा गाड्यार सवाय जेवण गावता हॉटेलांत ते कितें घेवपा जाय लोकांनी तें जाल्यार खरें न्हू तें ते टॅक्सीस कांय फारीक करिना आनी ते तांकां सवाय फकत घेता थोडे इल्लिगली विकतात म्हणजे कांय परमिशनां घेयना कोणाचीच घेयना म्हणजे CCPचे घेयना FDAचे घेयना कांय हायजीन नासता.
Why you have given them a safe haven?
No, that's what I asked the commissioner and the mayor. Try to remove all the illegal hand cards.
Correct.
Those who don't have a license, take them out. And everybody cannot sell food. Food is a precious item, and one has to be very hygienic. One has to be careful how you sell food. FDA permission is required. These permissions are very important. But unless you get this permission, you should not be allowed to handle food. And as per the World Health Organization, this is the easiest way of catching all the sicknesses, illnesses. Street food. As far as possible, they say avoid street food. Street food is the cause of major illnesses, and that is causing a problem all over the world. It's not only India is more so because we are totally dependent on street food. Commissioner and instructor to they had a problem with the trade licenses. They say we have to visit the corporation so many times. We cannot afford to do that.
Who this?
Restaurant owners. They say online we should know what is our tax due, what are license fees dues. So I told him to go online, means try to reduce the citizens' interface with the offices. So as far as possible, do these things. A lot of municipalities have already started, like the trade license, the birth certificate.
All the taxes they can pay online.
Online. So he said that by another 2 months he should get systems in place. So these are the major grievances. Like Kapula Mall is paying a lot of fees where they take care of their own garbage. So in spite of taking care of their own garbage, they still have to pay. So they say reduce our garbage tax because we are treating part of the garbage. So our showrooms don't create garbage at all, but still we are charging in thousands as garbage tax. So the commissioner said we will try to rationalize these things, where things have gone wrong, what has been the increase over a period of time. All these things are issues. टॅक्स कमीत कमी म्हणून आणले ते म्हणतात प्रोपोर्शनल आसपाक जाय. समज आपण गार्बेज इतकी क्रिएट करना जाल्यार तितको म्हाका गार्बेज टॅक्स घाल. म्हणजे तर रेस्टॉरंट इतक्या लोकांचे आहा जाल्यार ते प्रमाणे तूं म्हाका ट्रेड लायसन्स घाल. सगळे प्रोपोर्शनल आसता जाय म्हणटात. तूं आतां हांवें रेस्टॉरंट घातला म्हणून म्हाका 1 लाख टॅक्स घालपाक जायना. It has to be proportional to the number of tables or something like that. Government has a rule, we can measure now. We can only be like a supervisory authority and supervise career. But they are a local self-governing body. Okay? Under the constitution, they have powers to increase or decrease. So we cannot interfere with the corporation as such. But it's for them to decide. But whatever possible, I told the commissioner and the mayor to look into the grievances and see whether we can correct them. Correction करपाक जाय ते correction करया म्हणून.